Hello, this is Team Chocolate Milkshake presenting a solution for Union Bank Hackathon. So customers have complaints and issues and they post their complaints or issues in banking websites and on different social media platforms like Reddit, Twitter, YouTube, etc. or even WhatsApp. So these issues are very tough for banking operatives to handle because they are from different platforms and there are same issues on multiple times with multiple customers wasting the times of banking operatives. So we have developed a solution of complaint AI. Here we have a mother agent which will handle all the respective agents of classifier agent which will classify the claim or complaint with urgency score, sentiment, complaint categorization, customer support agent which will handle the human in the loop feedback, banking guideline agent which will analyze the bank's guidelines, the DB query agent which will actually go into the database of that customer and retrieve the context of the previous history of that customer with the graph vector database, which I'll talk about later, the SLA tracking agent which will analyze the RBI guidelines for that specific query, and we with other small agents of ticket routing, root cause analysis, response generation, deduplication. Deduplication means that we'll link that query and categories with other queries which will be easy for the agent to handle, because if one query is handled by a human in the loop, then the same answer can be generated by AI for a similar query. I'll move forward with the front end prototype now. So this is what our front end prototype looks like. Here I'll log in as an operative. Here you can see the dashboard for the operative with total complaints, open resolved complaints, SLA breaches, etc. The exact complaints of what the AI has resolved or not. Then we have the complaint intelligence, which will tell you that what are the complaints which are faced most often, or etc, etc. The SLA escalations, customer 360, which will analyze the sentiments, the exact trends of what complaints are mostly in what time. This is the graph I was talking about, where we have a complete integrated front end and back end graph, where the specific complaint is, if for example faced by multiple users, it will connect to multiple users that the agent can trace back to an answer in a more accurate way. So for example, if a user Amit has been answered by human in the loop feedback and that same issue has been faced by Priya, so the AI agent can trace back to Amit and answer in a similar way. I'll now move on to the human or the customer customer front end, because we do not have much time. This customer front end can be integrated in WhatsApp, Reddit, YouTube, and other social media platforms as well, which we are going to. But this is a very basic representation of what we're going to build. Thank you.